am getting ready for a family vacation up to Orlando, Florida, and I thought today I'd show you the pieces I'm bringing from my handmade wardrobe. Hello and welcome, or welcome back to Sew Pomona. I'm Rebecca and I'm so glad you're here. On this channel, I love sharing everything fashion and sewing with a focus on creating a wearable wardrobe. So before I start, let me tell you what I'm wearing. I wanted to get in the mood while I'm packing. So I'm just wearing a little Hard Rock tee. This is from the cafe up in Orlando from the last time I was there. And then I am wearing white by hand London holly pants. These are probably my most comfortable pair of white linen pants. And then just a simple pair of Teva slip-ons. Now today is going to be a little different packing plan for me, especially because this is going to be a family vacation in high summer. Now we do live in Florida, we live near Fort Lauderdale, and so we're gonna have about a 3.5 to 4 hour drive up to Orlando, and so I am planning these outfits accordingly. That means that I can pack quite a bit because we are driving, so I am gonna bring my larger suitcase. I did just buy this one. This is a Samsonite. I just love this mint color, and it was on sale during the last Amazon sales. So I picked this up, especially because I travel a lot for work, and I have a great smaller bag, but I wanted something larger for when I need to pack more stuff on my business trips. So I'm gonna try out this bag so that I see how it wears before I'm going overseas with it. Just to make sure it's all good. So I've got my bag. That is kind of my color palette for this. I'm doing mints pastels with white and cream. I do like to pick a color palette for most of my trips. I'll be wearing a little bit more color when I'm wearing my sportier outfits in the park. We're going to do 2 days in Universal Studios and Islands of Adventure. So those will be sportier looks, but I am kind of going for that light pastel color palette. Now, I was also trying to pack for the mood I want to feel for this trip. So for this trip, I want family, fun, I want to be comfortable, and I want to be a little sportier, which is not usually my travel vibe. So that is what I made sure all of my outfits felt like when I was picking them. Now, it's not like everything has to coordinate. I can pack a little heavier for this trip, but I do want to kind of know what I'm going to wear each day. So let me show you what I'm bringing in my handmade wardrobe. So for tomorrow, I was thinking I would wear my little rib knit white tank top with my striped over blouse. This is Vogue 8447. And then those new linen cropped culottes that I made, they're a little wider leg in this linen from Matchy Matchy Sewing Company. So that will be my travel day look, and then I can rewear the shirt or pants if I need to. I wanted to bring one more like kind of vacation-y outfit. This is one of my favorite sets. This is that Free People inspired set I made last summer in this cream Ramy, and it's just like a little wrap top and a one seam pant. And these are great because this mixes and matches with other pieces. I'm bringing my white double gauze shirt for any time I need an extra layer, especially in air conditioning. And this is a great versatile piece that matches with everything I could wear. And this is again Vogue 8447, same as the other one. I am bringing one yoga set. This is a self-drafted little bra top and the Jolly Clara yoga pants. These ones I had just fixed because the waist was not really staying put enough. So I added an extra wide elastic to the waistband just to give it a little more staying power because it kept slipping down on the waist. So that'll be my yoga look. This is a new little set that I made that I thought I could wear in the park if I want, or just walking around, taking the dog for a walk. So it is a little fitted tee. This is the Vicky Sews Jenny tee that I made in this athletic knit. This is from the Fabric Fairy. I had just bought some swimwear and I saw this. I really liked this kind of marled purple knit. And then I used my I use the waistband from the Jolly Clara, which I really love the fit of. And then the bottom is my own legging draft. And I like this one because it is slightly fitted and then it's slightly fitted and then it flares out a little bit, but not too much. So a really nice, comfortable pant that I could wear for yoga. So I like that I could wear that just as a regular tee, but I can also wear it as a fitness set. I was going to bring one lounge set for around the house, just this new set that I had just finished off. It's that patchwork print fabric that I got from Marcy Tilton. And then the little, I used the Vicky So's lacy dress as a top. And this one is reversible. So I made it in that leftover fabric I had that I have a sarong that matches with it. And I will film everything while I'm on the trip. So next week you will see all of these pieces worn. And then I'm going to bring one PJ set. This is my favorite PJ set that I made out of this fabric that I got in Athens, Greece. I love wearing this outfit and remembering that trip. And just the silky fabric is so comfortable and it just feels really nice. So it's got the over jacket, a pant, and then I made an Ajin cami to match it. So a really nice, elegant PJ set. Now for park days, and just anytime I need it, I am bringing 3 rash guards. This is my Free People rash guard. I've had this for a few years, and then I made 2 copies of it in pink and white. And then underneath I do have my 2 newest swimsuits. I've got this one, and then I've got my mint green version. These are the one pieces I made for my cruise last month. So I'm gonna bring both of these. We are renting a home with a hot tub, so I wanted to have some swimsuits to wear for that. And then the rash guards, I will probably bring with me to the park in my backpack, just to add on later in the afternoon as it gets sunnier, so I don't have to worry about applying sunscreen everywhere. Now, I wasn't sure which of these dresses I was gonna wanna wear each day, so I'm bringing 3. I'll probably only wear 2, but they pack up so easily, so I have lots of choices. So I'm bringing those new reversible little, I'm bringing these new reversible little tank dresses, really comfy with little shorts that match. So I've got the pale lavender, I've got the pale pink, and then I've got the black. And then they each have their own pair of shorts to wear underneath. I do also have another pair of swim shorts that I might wear under one of these, just because these ones, I have to fix, one of my hems needs a little repair, so I have to run that under the cover stitch today. But I do like these ones because they do have a cell phone pocket in them. So I'm gonna bring this as a backup. This is a Jolly pattern. I'll leave it below in the description just to give you the information, but it's just a little swim short. But I like this when I wear it. I've worn this to water parks before, and because it does have the cell phone pocket, it's very convenient when I'm just walking around. So those are all of my outfits. So I have a few shoes already picked out that I put in my bin. Because I am packing today, it is Sunday and we're leaving tomorrow. I do have my little cart filled with everything I think I'm going to pack so far. So I've got like my basics. I bought us ponchos so that we have that in case it rains, especially it does usually rain every day here in Florida. I've got my little jewelry roll packed with the accessories I want to bring. I probably won't wear as much in the park, but I might want to the other 2 days we're there. We are staying in an Airbnb really close to the park, which will be fantastic, especially because I am bringing my dog Daphne on this trip. She is a little chai pin. She's like 15 pounds. And so we're going to be driving up with her. We got a house with a fenced in yard and we're down the street from a little park so we can walk her. So we'll be able to go to the park and then come back to check on her, take her for walks, all that stuff. So I'll be bringing my little tripod. This one's a great tiny one for when I'm filming. I'll have my Meta glasses for filming. I'll bring my little wallet bag. I do on almost every trip, I try and bring an extra pair of glasses and sunglasses, just in case something happens to one of mine. If I lose a pair, depending on what I'm wearing them for. I wasn't sure what kind of bags I'm going to want to use, so I am bringing my larger fanny pack in case I want that one, and then my favorite very tiny pack. I think I'm probably going to bring this with my backpack. The blue one is for like walking the dog kind of thing. I'm going to bring this Patagonia backpack. I like this one because it is waterproof. It's pretty lightweight and not too oversized, and I think it's narrow enough to fit in all the lockers. So that'll be probably my park day bag. Let me show you some of the other accessories I'm bringing. I'm going to bring these Drink Light daily hydration packs. These are just electrolyte supplements. Especially I've been experiencing a lot of vertigo, and so I need to make sure I'm hydrated. I am bringing my medication in case I have a vertigo attack, and I'm going to try and avoid a lot of the 3D, 4D rides just because I don't want to trigger it. I'm going to be packing some wrinkle relief spray. I've already got all of my undergarments, underwear, socks, bras all packed up and sorted. I do think I'm going to bring my Hard Rock hoodie. I kind of think this is my summer hoodie just because sometimes air conditioning can be really crazy cold here in Florida. So I do like to have one cozy layering piece, just in the house, whatever, if I need something. And so this goes with my color palette. And I love this one because I got this when I did the opening in Hard Rock Belgrade. And then I'm going to try and keep my other accessories light, and I'm just going to bring my little Anthropologie sling. All right, so those are my main accessories. One thing I like to do is start out with the shoes a lot of the times. So I'm going to bring 2 pairs of sneakers. I am going to bring my mint green Hokas, and I'm going to bring my Nike Air Max in white. I like the little pink accent on these, and they're both super comfy, but I want to have 2 shoes in case my shoes get soaked one day and I want a fresh pair of sneakers. Especially, I broke my ankle like 5 years ago, so I need to make sure I have really good, comfortable, supportive shoes. I am going to bring 2 pairs of sandals. I'm going to bring my Born Gold sandals. Just if I need a dressier look, if I want to dress up for dinner one night, I have a nicer sandal just to mix and match. And then just for around the house, I'll bring my Havaianas flip-flops. Now, one thing I love to bring when I'm traveling on vacation are some great reading material. I am bringing a new book that I purchased, The Tourist by Olin Steinhauer. So I'm going to try this one. And then I like to save up my magazines for when I'm on vacation, just the ones I regularly get subscriptions for. So like the last 2 or 3 weeks when I've received new magazines, I've been putting them aside for this trip. So I'm going to bring my newest Travel and Leisure, my 2 newest AD magazines. I always get Architectural Digest, I have for a few years. And then I'll bring Condé Nast Traveler. If I get another one in between today and tomorrow, I'll pack that as well. We are staying for 4 nights. We're going to drive up tomorrow, stay overnight, go to the parks the next 2 days, and then the last day we'll come home. So a really quick trip, but it should be relaxing since we're not driving the same day we're doing the theme parks. Now, I will say I'm doing something a little different this time around. I just got the Index app, and I wanted to play around with it while I have the free trial. So I did little outfit combos of all of these just to see how I liked how my outfits were working. And then I'm going to take selfies each day that I'm wearing the new looks. And then if I like how this is working, I'm going to expand this to do it for the rest of my wardrobe. Probably just a section at a time as I index everything in the app. And I think this will be really great to help me plan out what looks I'm wearing, especially because a lot of my pieces are put away for the season. And so if I could easily access and realize what is in my wardrobe, even if it's not out currently, I think that would be really helpful, especially when I'm planning travel to different countries and maybe it's not the same season we're in here. I think that would be really great if I can know what to pick out of my bins and know where they're stored, because I could put all those in the notes. So I am working slowly on that. So that's one of the things that I'm going to play around with. I've been trying to, I'm thinking that might be useful because I've been wanting to bring back my blog a little bit and I haven't worked on it in ages. And I think this might be a great thing to share on there, to show my handmade outfits without having to take 1,000 pictures for each post. So I'm going to try that out, and let me know if you like that in the videos and if you'd be interested in more info on that. All right, that is it for today's video. Come back next week and you will see all these outfits worn. I'm going to film a little content of me at the park as well as these outfits worn, so you'll see that all in next week's video. Let me know what projects you're working on right now. Also, are you getting ready for fall sewing? I'm starting to think about it, so I want to know what you guys are working on. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy sewing.